and reward systems. Until a few years ago, the terms compensation and benefits were used commonly. But more recently, these terms have been replaced with rewards and total rewards. A reward system is the set of mechanisms for distributing both tangible and intangible returns as part of an employment relationship. An employee's tangible returns include cash compensation like base pay, cost of living and merit pay, short and long term incentives, and benefits like income protection and tuition reimbursement. In addition, employees also receive intangible or relational returns, which include recognition status, employment security, challenging work, and learning opportunities. Not all types of returns are directly related to the performance management system. Some returns are based on seniority as opposed to performance. Base pay is given to employees in exchange for work performed. The base pay, which is usually inclusive of a range of values, focuses on the position and duties performed rather than an individual's contribution. Base pay is usually the same for all employees performing similar duties. Cost of living or COLA adjustments provide some percentage increases for all employees, usually the same percentage amounts, regardless of their individual performance. COLA are given to combat the effects of inflation and to preserve an employee's buying power. Short term incentives, sometimes called variable pay, are one time payments allocated based on past performance. Incentives are not added to the base pay and are only temporary pay adjustments based on the review period. Conversely, long term incentives attempt to influence future performance over a longer period of time. Typically, they involve stock ownership or options to buy stocks at a pre established price. This investment is expected to translate into sustained high level performance. Income protection programs serve as a backup to employees' salaries if they get sick, are disabled, or are no longer able to work. Some countries, like Canada, mandate income protection programs by law. Benefits related to work life focus on programs that help employees achieve a better balance between work and non work activities. These include time away from work, like vacation time, services to meet specific needs, like counseling or financial planning, and flexible work schedules, like telecommuting and non paid time off. Benefits in some countries and organizations include allowances covering housing and transportation. These kinds of allowances are typical for expatriate personnel and are also popular for high level managers throughout the world. Relational returns are intangible in nature. They include recognition and status, employment security, challenging work, opportunities to learn, and form personal relationships at work.